So we opened our Telegram group yesterday, and you guys showed a lot of love. A lot of you belong to the group now. It is a community where we can discuss and give each other advice. And actually, it is a very good group. And you guys showed it a lot of love that we are already around 100 on the channel, then 50 on the Telegram group itself, where we can discuss and share a lot. So I'm here to thank you for showing so much love to, whatever we try to do. Your support is not going to go unnoticed. So we opened it yesterday, and it is really good. It has a good, vibe, and everybody is participating in any way they can. So why am I here? I'm here to talk about a few things. Of course, the Telegram group is okay, and trading is going on well and smooth, which is what we like to see. And of course, I'm also going to teach people how to trade. I know most of the people in the Telegram group want me to, guide them a little bit on how to go about prop farm trading and everything. And I'm thinking about it. Trust me, I'm not sleeping. That is why I came with a story today about Jesus. I'm watching The Chosen, which is a movie. It is a series that depicts, how Jesus lived his life, that tries to show us, the bigger picture, the bigger story. So, what am I trying to say? The story of Jesus and the fig tree. That came to my mind. I don't know which chapter it is in the Bible, but the story of Jesus and the fig tree. So Jesus was traveling somewhere with his disciples, with his apostles, and he saw a fig tree, and he wanted to go get a fruit from the fig tree, right? He's like, he wanted to go eat something. He was hungry, so he wanted to go get a fruit from the fig tree. And you know what happened? When he reached there, the fig tree had no fruit, and Jesus was angry. That is one of the moments when Jesus was actually angry, but he wanted to teach his apostles.
If you bring any food? No matter. God's given us a fig tree. It's not the season for figs. May no fruit ever come from you again!
So he was angry, and he cursed the fig tree, never to bear fruit again, right? I know he was doing this as a lesson, but what do we learn from it right now? His apostles even told him, but Lord, it is not the season for fruit. It can't have, but he was already pissed, and it was already cursed. When they came back the next day, the tree it withered, it dried up. The tree dried up, and it could not bear any more fruit. What am I trying to drive to? That each and every person of us were given a talent, something unique that we have. And when you're given that something unique, you're tasked to bear branches, and which will give you fruit. So I was thinking that in this trading thing, how am I bearing fruit? Of course, I'm getting the payouts. Is that fruit? To some extent. But if I can help people do what I've done in the last 2 months, I've been profitable for the last 2 months. So if I can help people do what I did, okay, they don't have to do exactly what I did, because, it also loses sometimes. But if I can direct people in that direction of, just the little things I did, not necessarily the strategy or something, but twitch something a little bit in their trading, maybe I can be able to make people also profitable, because I've done it just 2 times. And if I stop trading right now, I can say I did it 3 times, even if it would be some little, but I'll keep trading, of course. But you understand what I'm coming to, the point where, you have to have branches, and they have to also bear fruit. That is why I want to nurture people. And I want to do it in such a calm and simple way that gives my mind peace, and that gives, the people there the results that they ought to get. Maybe not what they want, but they ought to get. So I'm thinking of starting with 25 people. The first batch will be 25 people. And I'm going to give you on how to apply for that. I need only 25 because I want to know each by name. I want to know to give each time to try and trade and be profitable. We shall go step by step, and we shall see if the 25, maybe not all will get a payout, maybe not all will be profitable, but we shall, at least some will be, and we shall make that possible. People in the Telegram group, I'll give you, choice to apply first maybe, and also random people can join, but 25 I think, because I was thinking of 100, but I don't know if it is realistic. Bro, trust me, there is a lot of people who really want to be profitable, and I have done it. I've done it a little bit, and at this point I think I can help someone achieve that. Trust me. Even if I fail at this, at least I did try, to make someone profitable. Because I've done it 2 times, it is not a lot, but there are millions of people who are struggling, finding the consistency, finding their edge in trading. And I think I can do a little bit to help some people. You guys, no one is forcing you to enter. How is this school going to be? It is sort of a school. I even have a name for it already. I have a name, I have prepared everything, and it is going to be serious. You guys have to apply so that you get into the 25, right? I know it sounds like it's a joke, but it is something serious. I'm going to write down each and everyone's name, and I'm going to write down where they are from, and it's exciting for me because the way I picture it in my mind, and I'm going to be able to meet, to have them in classes. We are going to do classes maybe 3 times a week or 2 times. I'm still figuring that out. But we are going to discuss. And I want everyone to trade their own strategy. Not all of us are going to trade everything. No. Everyone will remain in their own strategy. And we shall try to modify that and see how you can be profitable and get a fast payout. Are you going to pay me for my time and everything? I don't know. I'm still thinking about it, but I'm considering a profit split from the first payout that you get when you're funded. When we drive you to a funded stage, I'll trust you to be like, okay, you get 20%. The prop firm takes its 20, you give me my 20%, and that is what I'm considering. So think about it, guys. It is something that I'm thinking about doing. I'm still figuring out the necessities that I have to do to make it realistic, to make it beneficial to you and beneficial to me, so that everyone is happy. And I know not everyone can be happy at Rust. Trust me, not everyone is going to be happy, but I gotta do what I have to do. 25 people. That is the number in my head. Try to hold them to profitability. And then after those 25 have gained, a payout or 2, they graduate from my school. This is exciting. They graduate, then we take on another 25, right? We shall do it like that in systematically. I don't want to bring in, 100 people, 1,000, and then everything messes up, right? I just want to have 25 controllable. We shall initiate them into the school. Why do I even say initiate? It feels like I'm creating a cult. Yet I just want to find traders who are passionate, who just miss something little that I can help get to the finishing line. Like I've got there. I think it's not the finishing line, but I'm in a zone where I can be profitable, where I have the skill, I have everything that I need to get profits out of the prop farm space. So you guys watch out. Maybe I'll be communicating in the Telegram group. I'm going to also share this video in the Telegram group, of course, and we shall see how we are going to do about this. Next month, it will be August, right? That is when we plan on starting. So applications will be coming in. I'll share next week how you guys can apply and how we are going to vet. They are going to go through an intensive interview. I don't want people who are like, oh, I want to trade and I do. No, I want people who are serious, who know what they want, and they are not just trading for, for themselves, but I want people who can influence their community they are in, wherever you are, whatever country you are. They are not going to be live classes. They are going to be online, right? So wherever country you are, just look out into the Telegram group. I'll be communicating, and make sure you'll pass the interview, because I don't want just people who are just there for fun, right? I want people who take trading serious, who have something that can really change themselves, and then they can change the society they are in. Anyway, I won't take long, but that is what I wanted to bring to you. I'm going to create that school where I get 25 people per batch, and we are going to train those. You'll go through an intense interview. Guys, if you don't pass, don't be pissed. There will be other opportunities to join that school. But it will begin next month, which is August, and we shall see. Maybe they will take 3 weeks to learn. Maybe they will take 6 weeks, and then we shall come with another 25. But I'm going to take all names. Everyone is going to have a number, a student number, because I want something serious. I don't want to do this and then give up on it, right? But that is what I'm considering. So watch out. Join the Telegram if you haven't, and we shall see how far we are going to go with trading. At least I'm proven, and I try to be honest with you guys. I try to be honest with whatever I do. I show it here on the channel. So I hope it will be something good. It will be a success. God help us do this together, because we are in this together, guys. Those of you that have talked to me, and those of you that haven't yet, I welcome you. My goal is to see people that have grown through trading, through God, that have grown and that are better people, that trade better, that change the lives of people around them. Because I've seen it. You can literally change the lives of people around you with trading. And I'm going to be focused. I'm going to be serious about this. People who are not serious can go and find someone else, find another community. But our community is really good, and it is one of the best communities in trading. We might not have millions of dollars, but we have each other in this community. So thank you very much, the people that joined the Telegram group. I appreciate you. And those that are just coming in, you're welcome. Thank you very much, and I'll see you in the next one. Peace out. Bye.